Are you tired of scrolling through the internet trying to figure out how to actually make money online in 2026? Every guru is telling you to try affiliate marketing or dropshipping or crypto, and most of it is completely dead. In this video, I'm ranking all 25 ways to make money online in 2026 into 4 categories. Degenerate, what to run away from. Easy, what actually pays fast. Medium, what builds real wealth. Hard, what makes you millions if you're patient enough. Make sure to stick around for the hard category because this is where real generational wealth gets built and most people never even try it. Welcome back to Stickman Money. I'm your former Wall Street professional and self-made multimillionaire, and this channel is all about the cash, compounding, assets, savings, and high income strategies. I post personal finance tips weekly to help you build your rich life, so if you enjoy this, please subscribe. Let's get into it. Category 1, degenerate work. Income potential, 0 or worse, negative. Difficulty, looks easy, but pays nothing. Time to first dollar, months wasted before you realize it's dead. And who is this best for? Absolutely nobody. These are the ideas that sound reasonable on the surface, but will quietly drain your time, your money, and your confidence. And if you're a guy in your 20s or 30s trying to build real wealth, you cannot afford to waste years on these. So before I even get into this, I am recommending to not do any of these ideas. And if you have been, please stop. Job number 1, NFT flipping. The hype is over, completely done. Most people who thought they made money on NFTs, they've since lost it. If you haven't built a single dollar online yet and you're starting here, you're in for a treat because that's a losing recipe. Job number 2, crypto day trading. Now, I'm not anti-crypto as an asset, but active day trading crypto without deep expertise, that is a horrible idea. Most people don't have the patience, the tools, or the edge to make this work. And statistically, most people lose money doing this every single day. You might only hear the success stories online because most people don't talk about their major losses. Job number 3, multi-level marketing or MLM. If your business model is getting paid to recruit people and not to actually sell a real product or service, that is not a business, it's a trap. Most MLMs are structured so that the people at the bottom spend more money than they ever make. Avoid this entirely, huge scam. Job number 4, basic captions and subtitles. 5 years ago, this was a decent side income where people take time to add captions and subtitles to videos for people for a fee. It actually worked pretty well and some people found a decent side income. Today though, AI does it faster, cheaper, and better than any human can. This one is completely gone. Don't waste your time on it. Job number 5, low-level data entry. Same story as subtitles. AI tools have completely replaced this work. And if you're spending your nights doing manual data entry online hoping to build wealth, you need a different path. Job number 6, Fiverr Microtasks. Fiverr used to be a solid starting point, but competing for $5 and $10 gigs in 2026 has 0 long-term upside. No leverage, no scalability, no future. Job number 7, print on demand. This is where someone sells custom designs on printed, generic t-shirts and mugs. While this sounds like a decent business, the market is completely saturated. Too many people are doing this now, and the margins are razor thin. Unless you have a massive existing audience to get in front of quickly, don't do this. Job number 8, day trading stocks. I'll be direct with you. If you're not completely obsessed with markets, glued to charts, and fully committed to this as a full-time lifestyle, like a full-time job, for example, it is far easier to lose money day trading than to make money. This is the hardest way to build wealth consistently, listed in this entire video. Don't do it to invest. Just buy standard indexes like the S&P 500 or total global markets like VT. The degenerate filter. All right, now that I've walked through 8 degenerate ideas with you, here's how to tell what is an idea that is absolutely bonkers or if it's worth pursuing. Run it through these 3 questions. 1, is AI already replacing this? 2, is the market shrinking or going obsolete? 3, is it easier to lose money than make money? If the answer is yes to even one of these, move on immediately. Category number 2, the easy category. Income potential, $5,000 to $10,000 per month. The difficulty? Low. You use simple skills and fast execution. Time to first dollar? 30 to 60 days. Who is this best for? Beginners building momentum and learning how to work with clients. This category is not about getting rich overnight. It's about making your first dollar online, building confidence, and learning how real clients and real businesses work. You don't need a degree, you don't need startup capital, you just need to learn one skill and execute. So job number 9, short form video editing. Every person with a business or a brand needs short form content right now. The demand is enormous. All social media companies are pushing short form content, and AI tools make it incredibly easy to learn fast. This is one of the quickest ways to land a paying client in about 60 days. Job number 10, social media copywriting. Every business needs transcripts for their content that converts casual browsers into buying customers. If you can learn the basics of conversion copywriting and use AI tools to speed up the work, you can start landing clients quickly. Job number 11, AI chatbot setup for small businesses. Ever seen the little chatbot that comes up in the bottom right corner of a screen asking if you need help? Those aren't real people, but it's an AI-based chatbot that helps businesses to answer the easy questions. Small business owners are desperate for time back, and having an AI chatbot is a great way to achieve this. If you can walk into a local business and set up an AI chatbot that answers customers' questions, books appointments, and handles FAQs, they will pay you every time, because the time they get back is worth far more than what they pay you. Great business idea. Job number 12, AI reception services. This is along the same lines as the chatbot. Tools today allow you to build an AI phone receptionist for small businesses, one that answers calls, qualifies leads, fills schedules, and handles objections, without ever calling in sick, without asking for a raise, without taking a day off. Setting this up for local businesses is a genuine underrated income stream right now. Job number 13, UGC content brokering. UGC stands for user-generated content, and this is a powerful way to help brands advertise, because brands don't want polished commercials anymore. They want real people showing real products. If you can connect brands with creators and take a cut in the middle, this is a scalable business with almost no overhead. There are people doing over $100,000 a month in this space. Starting at $5K to $10K is very realistic. Job number 14, virtual or executive assistants. High earners pay serious money to get their time back. If you can handle scheduling, inbox management, research, and admin work for a busy professional or entrepreneur, you get paid consistently, you get access to smart people, and you'll learn how high performers think and operate. That education alone is worth more than the paycheck itself. All right, so summarizing the easy category playbook. The key to making real money in this category comes down to one thing: a clear, outcome-based offer. Don't sell your time, sell a specific result in a specific time frame with a clear guarantee. Then reach out to one potential client every single day until you land your first customer. One outreach per day, every day, non-negotiable. That habit alone will separate you from everyone else who just doom scrolls online and does nothing at all. Category number 3, the medium category. Income potential, 10 to 50K per month. Difficulty, medium. Multi-skilled work tied to real business outcomes. Time to first dollar, 3 to 12 months. Who is this best for? People with some experience who want stability and real scale. This is where things get serious. You're no longer just completing tasks, you're solving revenue problems for businesses. And that shift from task doer to problem solver is exactly what gets you paid at a completely different level. So job number 15 is automation agency. Businesses are drowning in processes that could be automated. If you can come in and identify where a business is wasting time or money and build automated systems using custom AI workflows, they will pay you serious monthly retainers, because to that company, you're worth every single dollar. This is one of the hottest skills in 2026, and it makes you bulletproof against AI replacing your own job. Job number 16, LinkedIn growth systems. Every CEO, executive, and founder needs personal brand reach out right now. If you can own the outcome of growing their LinkedIn audience, writing content, managing strategy, and tracking analytics, they will pay you monthly. This is a high trust, high retention client relationship. Job number 17, micro SaaS tools. These are small, targeted software tools that solve one specific problem for one specific type of business. These include things like a browser plugin or an extension, a niche app even. Here you can charge monthly. It stacks revenue. You don't need to build the next billion-dollar startup. A tool that saves 50 businesses $500 a month in time is a $25,000 per month business. Job number 18, AI content agency. Brands need more content than ever. And if you can use tools like HeyGen and 11 Labs to produce high volume, high quality content without a massive production team, you have a real agency business. This is especially powerful if you already understand the personal finance, business, or professional services space. Job number 19, motion graphics and premium video design. Here's what most people miss. AI is flooding the market with average, generic content. What separates the top 1% of content is premium motion graphics and professional visual production. If you learn After Effects alongside AI production tools, you become the person that makes content look genuinely professional and not like AI slop. That skill commands premium pricing, and clients don't shop on price for that. Alright, so what's the overarching playbook for this category of medium difficulty? 2 things will accelerate your income. First, build 3 to 5 measurable case studies. Offer your first few clients a discounted rate in exchange for documented results. Then use results to sell your next clients at full price. These initial cases serve as an example and test cases for you to improve your offering and try out your system. Then the real money making happens after. Second, sell monthly retainers, not one-off projects. Stop selling your time in one-off projects. Instead, sell outcomes on a recurring basis by having clients sign on as a monthly subscriber to your offering. Predictable monthly revenue is how you stop living project to project and start building real businesses. Category 4, the hard category. Income potential, $1 million plus per month, potentially much more. The difficulty, high, requires systems, capital, leadership, and long-term thinking. The time frame, 2 to 10 years from zero. Best for people who want to build something bigger for themselves, a real asset, an empire. This is where generational wealth actually gets built. Most people never get here, not because they aren't smart enough, but because they aren't patient enough. So job number 20 is investing in AI-first founders. If you have capital and you can identify early-stage AI companies solving real problems, that's huge. Equity in a winning company pays more than almost anything else on this list. You don't run the business, you don't do the work. You just back the right people early, and you win when they win. The difficulty here is to have a meaningful amount of cash to invest and to know who to invest in. Job number 21 is building AI software products. This is the highest upside item on this entire list. Build tools that solve real problems in a way that are unique and defensible. Software generates recurring revenues, and when you sell, buyers typically pay 10 to 50 times your annual revenue. That math is unlike anything else in this business. Job number 22, buy small businesses and automate them. There are thousands of boring cash-generating small businesses still operating like it's 1995. If you can acquire one, a service business, a campground, a local franchise, and then implement AI-powered booking, management, and operation tools, you significantly increase margins without significantly increasing headcount. Boring businesses with smart AI implementation print cash. Job number 23, personal brand as a distribution asset. Content plus commerce. You've seen it with the biggest creators in this world. Build an audience, build trust, then use that distribution to launch products that generate equity and not just ad revenue. This is in the hard category for one reason. Most people quit before the audience is big enough to matter. The ones who stay consistent long enough, they build something that can eventually be sold. Think of Mr. Beast, who built the biggest YouTube audience and then followed that up by selling his new drink, Prime. Clearly very hard to do, but is huge if successful. Job number 24, subscription communities powered by AI. People pay monthly to belong to a group to give them access to knowledge, networks, and support. If you can build and curate a high volume community and use AI to enhance the experience and answer member questions at scale, you have then built a recurring revenue business with very low overhead and very high retention. Job number 25, licensing AI playbooks and systems. This one is underrated. If your business has built proprietary AI workflows, system prompts, or operational playbooks, those are intellectual property. You can license them to other businesses in your industry and create a completely passive income stream from the system you've already built. All right, so the hard category playbook really follows 5 steps to make it real. 1, tie your strongest skill to a fast-growing industry. Ask AI if you don't know what that industry is. You just gotta know your skill. 2, systemize your service. Sell outcomes, not time. Build repeatable delivery so it scales without you. 3, build a small team slowly. The first 10 people you hire will define your ceiling. Be slow and deliberate here. 4. Layer AI into your operations to reduce cost and increase margins before you add headcount. And 5. Use content to create inbound deal flow. If you build publicly by publishing on things like YouTube, opportunities will come to you that you can never buy because the right people will see what you're doing and offer help. Before I close out, there's one trap that destroys more businesses and more wealth building journeys than anything else on this list: shiny object syndrome. Most people don't fail because they picked the wrong category. They fail because they switch categories and jobs every few months. They start something, it doesn't gain traction in 90 days, and then they move to the next thing. And every time they reset, they lose all the compounding progress they had built. Winners lose more than losers do. That means that people who succeed are simply the ones who stayed in the game long enough to figure it out. 2 things will protect you from this. 1. Commit to 1,000 days of consistent focus on one path. 2. Document the journey publicly. Build it publicly. The accountability of an audience watching you will keep you moving forward when the motivation dries. Let's recap where you actually stand. Category 1, Degenerate. NFT flipping, crypto trading, MLM captions, data entry, Fiverr Microtasks, print on demand, and day trading. Avoid all of this. Category 2, Easy. That's 5 to 10K per month. Short form editing, social media copywriting, AI chatbots, AI receptionist, UGC brokering, virtual assistants. Start here if you're building from zero. Category 3, Medium difficulty. That's 10 to 50K per month. That's an automation agency, LinkedIn growth, micro SaaS, AI content agency, motion graphics. Move here once you have a skill and some client experience. And category number 4, Hard. That is potentially $1 million plus per month. That's AI investing, software products, buying businesses, personal brands, subscription communities, and licensing playbooks. This is the long game, the one worth playing. So here's what to do now. First, pick one thing from the category that fits where you are today. Not 2, not 3, just 1. Second, commit to it for at least 12 months before you even consider switching. And third, track your progress and even consider documenting it. Social media is like free advertisement. The gap between where you are and where you want to be isn't as big as it feels right now. But the only people who close that gap are the ones who actually start and stay committed. So the only question is, are you going to do something or stay comfortable where you are today? Alright, thank you for watching the video, and if you want more real talk like this every week, make sure to subscribe because I'm Stickman Money, your former Wall Street professional and self-made multimillionaire, and this channel is all about the cash, compounding, assets, savings, high income strategies. Subscribe because I post personal finance videos every single week, and comment below which category do you think you're in, and do you think I'm wrong about any of these? If you like this video, here's a video about how your financial standing compares to others in your age range, and another video that you might like. See you in the next one.